Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Karthik and today we'll be painting a sunset seascape. I'll be using a 12-inch by 16-inch canvas. Before we start, if you're new to my channel, please press that subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get notifications about a new video. Okay, let's start. Before I paint any sky, might it be a day sky or a night sky, I make sure there is a white layer behind with a lot of linseed oil. So for this I'm taking very less of paint and more of linseed oil and giving it a white layer. To lessen the work giving it with a brush, I'd rather use a paper towel to just wipe it across. This will also remove the excess oil from the canvas and also give you an even finish on the canvas. Make sure you don't give that white layer completely throughout the canvas. I am looking at only giving it in the place where there will be sky. Now I've taken lemon yellow onto my brush and I'm painting the place where I'll be putting the sun. After which I'll be mixing a little bit of red onto yellow and making it orange, and we'll be painting the other part of the sky. I'm taking a little bit more red to give it more tones so that we don't have a plain orange but we have multiple colors in the sky. So that's lighter orange, darker orange and then yellow. Next I'm taking a little bit of Persian blue and red, mixing it together and painting the top of the sky. This is to give an effect that the sun is setting. So your top of the sky will be blue and the place where it will be setting will have this orange and yellow shades. I'm making the clouds with the same orange but adding more of red to it, so it's a darker tone of the orange. For clouds I never have anything in mind like how the shape should be. Just go with the flow however you want and then you can adjust it as much as you want. Now I've taken a dry brush and just blending the underneath part of the cloud, and then I'll lift up the cloud very softly and then sideways. I'll be doing it to all the clouds. I'm giving a little bit of highlight on the border of the cloud with darker shade of red, but I would suggest you to go with white, which I'll be doing again in the further part. Now I'm using white on my brush directly to paint a sun and will be blending the edges of it. I'll also be extending the cloud over the sun so that it looks like it is at a distance. We'll be going back to the sky again in a while to make the borders bright of the clouds. Let's start painting the water with some blue and black. So I'm using Persian blue and ivory black, blending it together and painting the whole underneath part where I'm planning to make water. Now I'll be using a fan brush to make the ripples in the water. So for this I'll be using white directly onto the brush and we'll be making the small crisscross strokes throughout the water. Don't paint it in a line. You just have to make random strokes which is near to each other. Once you're done with the ripples, you can make a reflection of the sun in the water at an equidistance from the border. For this you can use white and directly blend it with the color of the water. So it's going to turn a lighter blue, and on top of that you can make the ripples again so that it looks like a reflection. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going back to the clouds now, giving it white borders from the side of the sun. So since your cloud on the right is facing the sun on the left, so the borders will be only on the left side. Your right side of the cloud will be left blank as it is. I'm making the brighter shade underneath the sun on the water. I'm using white on a fan brush again, but this time I won't be making many strokes at a time with the same paint on the brush. So I'll be taking white every now and then after each stroke. So this way the color on the canvas won't mix with the color on the brush, and it won't give you a lighter shade over there, but it will be on the whiter side itself. So this is a sunset. Now I'm thinking of giving it a little bit of more depth to it by adding some birds, a ship. You can also make a rock at the side or a shore at the right side. Anything is possible. To make the birds, you can use black on a very thin brush. So to end this painting, I'll be making a boat somewhere in the middle with black using a flat brush. Also quite a bit of detailing, but not much. I'll be using a little bit of white on my thin brush and giving it a little bit border on the left side of the boat, since the brightness is from the left side. And there you go. We have completed the sunset seascape. If this video was helpful, make sure you like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for latest updates. I'll be coming up with a new video every week. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.